Namaste student, myself J.V. Nanchika Kushwaha from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology. Our subject is microbial technology and today's session is production and purification of acetic acid. So here we start with the introduction of acetic acid. So what is acetic acid? Acetic acid is a organic acid which is CH3COOH. Its molecular weight of 60.05. It is a principal constituent of vinegar. The first vinegar was spoiled wine, consisting the Latin word acetum means sour or sharp wine. It is also known as ethanoic acid, ethyl acid, and vinegar acid, and methane carboxylic acid. So, glacial acetic acid is the pure compound 99.8% as distinguished from the usual water solution known as acetic acid. So, what is the properties of acetic acid? Acetic acid have boiling point of 118 degrees Celsius and its melting point is 16.6 degrees Celsius. Glacial acetic acid is highly corrosive to material. Acetic acid is soluble in alcohol miscible with water, glycerol, ether, and acetone, benzene, carbon tetrachloride. So, acetic acid production we will discuss. So, it can be produced in the factories using the three major processes. They are chemical reaction, production from fossil fuels, and biological process. In chemical reaction, liquid and vapor phase oxidation of petroleum gases with catalyst, and in the oxidation of acetaldehyde, and the production from fossil fuel it includes acetaldehyde oxidation, hydrocarbon oxidation, and methanol carboxylation. And in biological process it has aerobic process and anaerobic process. So what is acetic acid bacteria? These gram negative bacteria belong to the family Acetobacteriaceae and the alpha subclass of Proteobacteria. The recognized genera are Acetobacter, Acea, Acidomonas, Gluconobacter, and Kazachia. With the exception of Asia, they produce large quantity of acetic acid from ethanol and can grow in presence of 0.35% acetic acid. So, in there is anaerobic process and aerobic process for acetic acid production. Industrial production of acetic acid we will discuss in this let alone method: surface fermentation, submerged fermentation, and batch fermentation. There are four kind of industrial production method in the acetic acid fermentation. Then downstream processing and cell separation process. What are the uses of acetic acid? So there are acetic acid used in vinyl acetate and textile factories, fisheries, and leather adhesive properties. In adhesive purposes it used in molding compounds, transport sheets, textile fiber, photofilms, lacquers, and it heat transfer liquid, most preservative and neutralizer, and de-icers. So these are all the uses of lactic acid acetic acid uses. So this is all about the acetic acid production and purification process. Thank you student. If you have any query you can write down in comment section. Thank you.